Hi, this is me, Katie, the filmmaker/artist, and right now we're at this website here. So today I'm just going to give you a quick review of the website. So right now you kind of see here, this is here the website that you click on, and the only way to get to the website is that you have to click the link on the bottom or go to www.KJH Art.Studios.com, or option B, you can just use the website on my cell phone. And if you look at the cell phone, well, you kind of see that it has these 30 bar lines on the top right, for all I noticed. So you kind of see this here is the website. So you kind of see K.J.H Art Studios, welcome to the website, and this is where we make art and films for kids, teens, and family members. So make sure you give the Artist Filmmaker high five. You can also click read more about it, for more information, which I'm going to discuss later on. But then again, once you get to this website, you kind of see K.J.H Art Studios. So pretty much it tells all about what the art studio is like, and pretty much we got this web commercial next by from here. And about the artist, that's me, the filmmaker/artist, which is obviously me right here, because I'm the owner of K.J.H Art Studios and stuff, and you can learn more if you click here. And then we have featured artwork, so pretty much you're going to see these are featured artworks. These are just physical artworks as well as digital artworks, and then you have request a commission. Even if you're interested in commission, you can just place what your commission is about. And I probably might have to create commission requests later in some other video too, but I might have to create a policy for that too. And we also sell t-shirts that is like $10 a t-shirt. So these are just physical t-shirts as well as digital t-shirts, which you can find on Etsy.com. But you'll never be able to find these t-shirts on Etsy.com. You can find them on my website, but we only have like one of each t-shirts we obviously have. So now we're going to get to the top. The top, you have the navigation bar. So this one's home. If you want to get back to my home website, you can click home, or you can just click here instead. And then we have the about page, which is all about me as the artist. Then we have the shop page. You gotta see that we have the inner navigation bar thing here. So the shop would have artworks, t-shirts, and of course digital artwork. Even if you click to the artwork, you can see we show all these physical artwork we have. So one way thing to note is that we do have one of each artwork, and it comes in probably any price that is, and we definitely do sell physical t-shirts, which we have. We also have one of each in it's almost $1 a t-shirt, probably notice. And then we also have digital artwork. So digital artwork, they're literally like $1 worth of digital downloads. So we might have to discuss in some other video tapes later on. So, and then there's Deviant Video, which is individual video series. We also have blogs, which shows news and contact. You can contact more about the art studios, and we also have shopping and contact here. Going here. So pretty much individual videos. If you click individual videos, it will show you to like these individual movie videos we have. It includes the short films. You gotta see these are just in their trailer forms, because these videos are like literally for content members. So anyhow, these contents are like for members only, but if you want to become part of a member, you have to hit the subscribe button and then you just log in. But even if you already are a member, you can just log in from right here. So we have trailers, because you can actually scroll down and you can see all kinds of trailers. These are trailers for experimental film, well, except for the Snow, which is actually a narrative film, by the way. And you gotta see that each of these films have like these descriptions, music and stuff, and then we also have like the genre, what kind of film it is, whether it's an experimental film, a fantasy film, or science film, either film we have. And the age ratings, you gotta see this one's like kid or teen or something like that. But we do have age rating that was set from either from kids and family member, kids and teens, and teens, either way. The reason why I said kids and teens is because part of it is parental choice or something like that. So it's probably best if you just watch all these films with your kids or something like that. Even though if you were a parent figure, you have to look after your kid. So whenever you click on video series, you gotta see video series would take you to. They would literally take you to series of collections of series like the Cajun Billy Show, Here's Lullaby, The Adventures of Tree Hunters, Bunny Pancake, Inside of Ben Aaron, so much more. And even if you click watch video, you can, as an unsubscribed person, so you gotta see, again, it's for members only, but even if you want to watch the full version, you can see the subscribe button up here. And you gotta see that this will take you to your trailer. Then it would also show your trailer, and then it would have descriptions as to watch the full TV series, hit the subscribe button for $10 per month. So we're just going to get to it. So now we're going to hit the subscribe button. So pretty much the subscribe button is like K.J.H Art Studios member. And all you gotta do is click sign up here. And then once you sign up, you can just click proceed to the check, even though it gets renewed every week or so. And all you gotta do is fill in the details, which includes your name, last name. If you have a company, that's optional. You gotta select which country you live in, or which street address, town, city, state, zip code, email address, create a password or something like that. So all you gotta do is fill that in. And once you fill that in, you can click the continue button on it. It'll take you to this, and all you gotta do is click. But even if you have an order number, which is pretty much optional, well, we're gonna ignore it for now on, so we're gonna click continue on, and then all you gotta do is enter your credit card, expiration date, and card code or something like that, and all you do is, once you get that filled up, all you gotta do is click sign in now, and therefore you become part of the member. So even if you already have an account, all you gotta do is click in your username, your password, and all that stuff. Well, you're gonna see that you are currently logged in. Well, right now I'm using my dad's account for now on, and once you are logged in, you can see that your individual videos, well, you can finally watch the full version of the videotapes. So you kind of see you can finally watch the full version of these experimental films, including this one narrative film, and that long feature experimental film that you got by the way. And you can also watch this video series as usual in the full version, which you can actually watch the K.J.H show in the full version, by the way. And you kind of see that this here is going to be the K.J.H show in full version. Well, I'm sorry, just having a bit of low issues. Yeah, so these are going to be the full feature version of these shows. And you can just go all the way down. Well, I know K.J.H had a full episode at least, but it might work on a cell phone, on a mobile device as usual. You can actually scroll it down. And eventually I'll probably have to organize it once this entire episode is gone. And I'm sorry, it's like from new to old instead of just from old to new either way. But even if you really want to log out, you can just click the log out button over here. And it'll get you back to the website. So pretty much the only way to save your password is that I would just copy paste the password in some digital note that you have, either it's Windows or digital note that you carry around here so you won't forget about the password. So sometimes it's hard to remember the password, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna make you want to remember a password each way, but that's probably another very particular day. And I guess that's probably just about it in order to show how to use the website. So for more information, you can just, but even if you want to get to this website, make sure you click on the link in the description below, or you can just scan this VR code that I have on the screen right now. You can scan with your cell phone, probably just about right now for some reason on. And I'm wanting to say thanks for watching this. Make sure you can just subscribe to this channel as well as the website for more about this channel. And make sure you give the artist and filmmaker a high five. So thanks for watching.